So this is the frame. We had to take, I'll show you the whole thing. So we took this top row of tin off and added an extra stud extra bit of timber between the studs over here, and that's to connect this bit of timber that's going to hold, well, that is holding the weight of the gate. So this has been bolted there, there, and another one there. Then we made the frame. And it swings out the whole way. This is just a garden gate hinge, which we put in there. You can see the bolts. And to kind of deal with, it's sort of, so what is it? Here's the dimensions here. 1785 wide. And so this bit of stainless steel cable is taking a lot of the weight. This has got a tension, can't remember what this is called, but anyway, when you tighten that up, you can actually see this end of the gate lift up. So done that. We've got a jockey wheel that we might put on here. I'm just waiting to double measure the clearance of the fridge, which is going to be here. So then we've got a latch which just needs a little bit of fixing up, and I'll maybe put a lock up there, or not quite sure. But yeah, that's it. And so the layout is going to be fermentation fridge. We're going to have grandfather on the floor next to there. We're going to have a bench that's 1200mm wide. Grandfather there, digiboil above it so that the grandfather just pulls out, and I can sparge directly from the digiboil into the grandfather with the grain basket up. Then there's going to be a sink with a draining rack, and I'm going to make a cutout, undermount the sink so I can put the bench top on top of the sink if I'm not using it. And I'm going to have some sort of outlet, a hose outlet here, which I can connect the garden hose up, run the water up probably between here. It probably makes sense to do that around, and not quite sure how I'm going to configure it, but probably have some sort of hose that can access the digiboil and the sink when it's there. The sink will just drain out straight down in this corner, and sort of here under there into this drain, which the water will go down under the pool decking and out. So yeah, I think that'll be pretty good. Pretty excited about the amount of work we achieved today. Big thanks to Phil from Phil's Wish. Yes, my father-in-law. He's did a lot of the brains. I hopefully helped him out. He basically made me do all the stuff, but he was on strict supervision duty, so I couldn't have done it without him. But yeah, so next bit is building the bench and everything to go in, and then the electrics and water. So stay tuned.